Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the left, this one go to the right, and we have like this. Next, I will put this one go to the right. So in this situation, I will put like this. So we have x and first derivative of x. So this is about linear differential equations. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu y equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that we have negative sign and sine y. This is for integrating factor. And this one we have cosine y. That means we need to multiply both sides by this one. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have se to the power of cosine y. Now we need to focus on this one. So we know that sine 2y, that is about 2 sine y cosine y. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine y. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put this one go to the left. So cosine y we change for u. Sine y dy we change for negative du. So negative number 2 with number 2, we have negative number 4. Next, we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about t equals to negative number for u. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this dv that is about this one. So the integration of this one we have like this. So we have t multiplied by v minus we have dt multiplied by v. So negative and negative we have positive. And now we have the final answer. About u, that is about cosine y. And now we need to go back in here. This one, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.